Okay, so do you remember any of the trip to America? You remember going across on a boat or?
Well, I'm very lucky because, I don't remember much myself because, but, when I came to the United States, when we left Austria, I was 2. When we left Riga, Latvia, I was 4. So, so I don't remember much about that time period of my life. You don't remember much about being 2, 3, and 4. But I decided to write my parents' story and my story, my life story, for my children. And so I was a school teacher, and every Saturday morning I went over to my parents' house, and I interviewed my parents. So I have it all written down. So I actually know what all happened. So all the places that we went, because when we left Vienna, we went to Riga, Latvia, and we lived there for 2 years. And then we tried to get out of Riga for 3 times, and every time we needed an affidavit. And the first one we were supposed to go through Norway, through Sweden, but then the war broke out in Norway. And the Russians marched into Norway. And so we couldn't go that direction because the water was all full of German U-boats. So then we finally got another affidavit, and we were supposed to go through Italy. But Italy was an ally of Germany, Nazi Germany, and England in 1939 declared war on Germany. And so we couldn't go that way because Mussolini was the head of Italy, and he and Hitler were in cahoots for quite a while. Then they became enemies, but for a while they were. And finally, we heard that there was a train leaving Riga, Latvia, and we were going to go through Russia and the Trans-Siberian Railroad down into Manchuria, through China, over to Japan, and come to the west coast of the United States. So that's what our trip was, that direction.